In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enable ultra-wide mode on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat, navigate to the profile page, click on the settings icon and scroll all the way down. Click on the option help. Now in the search box, type in ultra-wide mode. Now click on this option, how do I use ultra-wide camera? Now over here you can find out how can you enable it or use it. You'll need to make sure you are using your back camera, then pinch your fingers to zoom out, then take a snap. You will not find the direct option to enable it or disable it, but you can follow this step. For that, launch your camera. Ultra-wide mode only works with the back camera, not the selfie camera. Now over here you're gonna find this option, .5x, you can click on it. With that you have set the camera to ultra-wide mode. Now you can record snaps and take photos with that wide, cinematic look, perfect for group selfies, landscapes and vlogs. And that's how you can enable ultra-wide mode on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.